Former DPWH Assistant District Engineer Bryce Hernandez surrenders to ICI his Lamborghini luxury automobile as he faces again ICI hearings on anomalous flood control projects. Also present in the ICI today was former Senate President Francis Chis Escudero, who was implicated for alleged involvement in controversial insertions to the national budget. Our Harley Valbuena narrates the report.
This is the Lamborghini Urus of former DPWH Assistant District Engineer Bryce Hernandez, which was also surrendered today to the Independent Commission for Infrastructure or ICI office in Taguig City. The luxury car amounts to 30 to 40 million pesos. It is parked alongside Hernandez's GMC SUV, which he first surrendered to the ICI last week. Earlier today, Hernandez again attended ICI's hearing on anomalous flood control projects, together with former DPWH Bulacan 1st District Engineer Henry Alcantara and former DPWH Assistant District Engineer JP Mendoza. The hearing was led by ICI Chairman Andres Reyes Jr. Meanwhile, the House of Representatives also turned over to the ICI multiple boxes containing documents and evidence gathered by House Infrastructure Committee in its investigation on the anomalous flood control projects. House Speaker Boji D also visited ICI to oversee the turnover of evidence. Also present at the ICI today were former Senate President Francis Chis Escudero.
Imbitasyon ang natanggap ko para maging resource person kaugnay sa mga proseso ng Senado, kaugnay sa proseso ng budget.
Escudero said he is ready should ICI raise the issue on the alleged 30 million pesos donation from a contractor that he received for his campaign way back 2022. The senator is also open to answer House Deputy Speaker Ronaldo Puno's allegation that he and former House Appropriations Committee Chairman Zaldico should be blamed for the controversial insertions in the national budget.
Insertion man o amendment, meron naman talaga eh. May mga amendments naman talaga, hindi naman pwedeng wala eh. Hindi naman perfect yung NEP eh. Si Congressman Puno hindi sa bahagi nga ng Kongreso pa nung panahon yun, kaya hindi ko alam kung saan siya nagagaling.
Harley Valbuena from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.